The M1 Abrams is one of the most famous main battle tanks and is used by the United States and many other countries in the world. Since its introduction in the 1980s, the M1 Abrams has become a symbol of technological excellence in battle tank design. This tank is designed to face various challenges on the modern battlefield, including facing threats from enemy tanks, infantry, and aircraft. Composite armor. The M1 Abrams uses a composite armor layer consisting of a mixture of materials such as ceramic, plastic, and steel. Newer M1 models, like the M1A2, use depleted uranium-due armor, which provides excellent protection against guided missile and artillery attacks. Reactive armor. On certain variants, such as the M1A2 SEP System Enhancement Package, there is an additional layer of reactive armor that can explode when hit by a bullet, thereby neutralizing the impact of the explosion from an anti-tank weapon.